Gerund noun. A gerund is a verbal form that functions as a noun and ends in ing. It is derived from a verb but acts as a noun in a sentence. Gerunds can perform various functions that nouns typically do, such as subjects, objects, subject complements, and objects of prepositions. Examples: swimming is my favorite activity. Subject of the sentence: I enjoy reading before bed. Direct object of the verb: running can improve your health. Subject of the sentence: her singing captivated the audience. Subject complement: I appreciate your helping me with this project. Object of the preposition. Rules. 1. Subject. Gerunds can function as the subject of a sentence, like in swimming is my favorite activity. 2. Direct object. Gerunds can serve as the direct object of a verb, as in I enjoy reading before bed. 3. Subject complement. Gerunds can be used as subject complements, as in her singing captivated the audience. 4. Object of the preposition. Gerunds can also be used as the object of a preposition, such as in I appreciate your helping me with this project. 5. No possessive gerunds. Gerunds are not used with apostrophes to show possession. For example, I appreciate your helping me, not I appreciate your helpings me.